welcome back to our Boston LIVEmas. It is day 22 today, so we got 3 more days till Christmas, and I'm just getting so excited because it's actually Friday, and we are heading into that Christmas weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what home we are talking about today. We are going to be, oh my goodness. We are going to be talking about the Clayton Trinity. So this is actually part of our in-stocking stuffer deal. So if y'all haven't heard already, we do have an in-stocking stuffer deal till the end of the year where you get $1,500 off a single wide and $3,000 off of a double wide. Isn't that nuts?
Wow, that is nuts, honestly.
I know. So this Trinity is actually a single wide, so you'll be getting $1,500 off. So definitely call today or go to our website and schedule an appointment, get some information, because y'all could definitely save some big bucks on this one. Also, another giveaway we have, or not giveaway, that wasn't a giveaway, this is a giveaway. So if you've missed it, lives 20 through 25. So if you share and tag us in those lives, we will actually be giving away $500 on New Year's Eve whenever we go live for New Year's, and we'll be ringing in the New Year's with y'all. So I'm very excited for that. And yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into this home, and I'll show y'all some of these pictures.
Alrighty, and you should be good to go.
Welcome back to our website. Let me search up this Trinity for you. So this is the Clayton NXT Trinity 76. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1190 square foot home. And I'm going to go ahead and show you these pictures because, I mean, there's 26 of them. I can show you this whole house. So here is the kitchen. I love the white cabinets with the black hardware. And you have this really unique island offering seating on this side and also the left side, really maximizing your space. I love the countertops as well. They almost kind of look like those concrete countertops that are super popular right now. And here is another view of that island with the gold hardware. And this one's actually white, which shows how much space you actually have to put those bar stools. Here's your living space and dining space if you'd like it to be that. And you have this really deep sink with that gooseneck faucet, and I love that the sprayer is attached to it, really minimizing the amount of clutter that you have. Here are our cabinets, different color as well. And here is that living space again. I mean, it's just customizable. I mean, every picture we've seen, it's been different color cabinets, different color islands. Whatever you want this home to look like, we can make it look like for you. So here's the primary bedroom. Super spacious, closet space, and here is a double vanity for you. And I just love the black hardware, the subway tiles in the shower, the glass doors. I mean, this just looks very modern, sleek, modern farmhouse. And I mean, it's just beautiful. Here is a guest room with a closet, the hardwood floors, and another guest room as well. Enough space for your double beds, or if you want to make this something else, it can be. Here is your utility room with the washer dryer, and you have that storage space above. You can get these Frigidaire appliances if you'd like, or we just have the washer dryer hookups as well. And here is the hallway with your Ecobee thermostat, which is such a really cool thing that y'all should check out. Here is that guest bathroom, again with the black hardware. I just love that everything matches in this home. I mean, it's just seamless. And you have cabinets under that sink, and there's also a shelf under there as well. Yeah, so this was the Clayton Trinity. I don't know about you, but I think this home is just super modern farmhouse and sleek. Well, let me unshare my screen with y'all. So that was the Trinity. Y'all should definitely jump on that deal. I mean, it's $1,500, and it is available in our San Antonio lot. So give us a call and save those bucks. I mean, I would. So today we actually had our company party. It was so fun. Everyone was dressed up in these like really fun, ugly Christmas sweaters, and we got to have Pinkertons, and it was just such a great time being able to relax with our work family. before the holidays where we actually get to celebrate with our real family. Xander, did you have a good time today?
Oh my God, yes, it was so awesome. And honestly, shout out to Pinkertons for always coming through, catering for us. You guys are awesome. Definitely check them out. Great, great barbecue. Honestly, I just love it.
Yeah, since I'm so new here, I'd never had Pinkertons, and that might be my new favorite barbecue place in San Antonio. It was good.
It was, wasn't it?
Yes. Well, again, share this live, tag us, go back to our past 2 lives, and share those too. I mean, the more entries you get, the better. So I will see y'all next time. Make sure to join us so you can enter in those as well. Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.